Hello beautiful people, I'm back and this time I have my Huda Beauty Mystery Bag. I got the small size because the large size was sold out. I also bought another item, a new item from her, that is the Bombbrows Microshade Brow Pencil. Let's unbox it together and I'll try on the makeup and see how it goes. See you in a while. These are the items that I have, so let's do the unboxing. I have not watched any YouTube videos, so this is the first time I'm seeing. And it's the first time I'm getting the mystery bag. Hopefully I'll be pleasantly surprised. Okay, this is the Bombbrows I was mentioning. So we'll try it on later as well. This is the sample. I've not tried this yet myself. In fact, I only have one eyeshadow palette. Actually two, from Huda Beauty. The bag does look quite nice, I must say. Like holographic effect. First thing I see is this neon. This is actually an item that is on sale, so I'm not really so excited about this, but it does look quite pretty, I must say. Let's try some swatches. So this is the eyeshadow palette. What is this? Okay, we hope you love your mystery bundle, gorgeous, because we hope you found some new favorites you want to stock up on. So this is the use favorites for 15% off your next purchase, and it ends on April 30th. This is the Wishful Cream, and I have this. Two of this, and a diamond balm. Okay, so this looks, oh, it looks very pretty. This swatch, yeah. And this is the Demi Matte Cream Lipstick in Shiro. This color does look quite wearable and nice. Beigey peach. And the last one is the Matte and Metal Melted Eyeshadow. So this is how the brush looks. This is the matte. Okay. Got a pretty bag. We have a liquid eyeshadow, Demi Matte lipstick, honey balm, a neon eyeshadow palette, which is the biggest disappointment because it's an old stock which is on sale, and what else? this one, the Huda Beauty Seductress. Okay, so I'll come back shortly to do a look with what I have and with this pencil as well to try it out. So let's start with the makeup. So I'm trying this one first, the Bombbrows, new product from Huda, and it comes with a spoolie on this end. So for this, the spoolie feels quite stiff, so I must be extra gentle as I do this. And this is how the pencil end looks like. So oh, it does look actually very fine. This is how it looks. Now to do the other one. Okay, my thoughts on this eyebrow pencil. It seems to go on quite well. At first it feels a little bit stiff, a little bit harder, the formula. But it does apply not too badly, and the color seems quite suitable. Try the palette. So this is how the colors look. Start with this color here. It's got buns. Using my finger just to tap it on. Now to try this. Now to try on this lip. Okay, so there's a lot of transfer. Maybe I have to wait a little longer for it to dry down. Now to try on the sparkling lip balm. And this color is Seductress. It does look very pretty. Okay, so what I noticed is that the balm, the glitter is only at the side of the barrel. On the part where you apply on your lip, there is no glitter. So it does feel quite smooth. But if I were to apply it from the side, I would be able to feel the glitter. There's a light coconut scent to this. Very light. So here's my thoughts on what I think about the mystery bag that I got. So two of my favorite items are this bag and this lip balm. And this bag is because the quality seems quite good, not too bad, so I can put all my makeup items. And the lip balm is because it's actually quite cute. I think it's not so old as well, and the glitter does look nice, and it feels comfortable and moisturizing on the lips, so it's quite a useful item for me. For the bag, to be listed as one of the favorite in a makeup mystery bag means the makeup mystery bag was quite a letdown. The reason I say it's a letdown is because it's because of this eyeshadow palette. Why I say that? This color, although it's a nice color, it's quite sweet, I must admit, and it's sweet for spring. It is actually an old eyeshadow palette, and you can also, it's now available on sale. So this eyeshadow palette has brought down the value of the whole bag. That's how I feel. And for this liquid eyeshadow is very suitable for people who like liquid eyeshadows because they actually can last the whole day as well. But for me personally, I prefer to have my eyeshadow in powder and in a palette form, and this was not what I was looking for. And the next item, the Demi Matte lip product. This one is, I feel, it's not too bad. Color wise, you know, the colors that was chosen is not too bad. Whether it's the liquid eye or this one, because it's a neutral color and it can be used day to day. It's my first time using this product, so I can't, I need a bit more time to see how I feel with this. For this product, it doesn't dry down, so it still transfers. Maybe you need a little bit more time to dry down a bit more. That I have to try it out. So who do I think this mystery bag is suitable for? I feel that for this mystery bag, if a consumer wants to try out a brand and they don't have any products before and they don't mind getting items which is of not the newest, the latest release, then this might be a choice. As for myself, whether I'll decide to get it again, I don't think so, because this was really a disappointment. This bag was quoted as something to look forward to, and I took it as that, but it is definitely not something I'm thrilled about or happy about. So this is my review of the bag, and thank you for joining me. So I'll see you again the next time. Stay beautiful. Bye.